You're my best friend, aren't you, Tiko, in the whole world? Who's that? That's Minnie Moo. You're my best friend too in the whole world, Minnie Moo. Hey? Yes, Minnie Moo, you're so funny. She likes to push the red button on my phone when I'm on phone calls to people. Because that's what she does, don't you, Minnie Moo? Hey? She likes to lick the phone. She's Minnie Moo the phone licker. Oh, phone licker, Tiko. What do you think about that? Can I have a kiss? Oh, you got to think about it. Can Mummy have a kiss? Just a little one? Mummy. Oh, good boy. Oh, I love you so much. Mummy loves you so much as she does. Hmm? Look at that face. Look at that face. That's a naughty face. It's a cheeky face. Yes, it's a cheeky face. Where'd you go, Minnie Moo? Where are you? There you are. There's my Minnie Moo. Is that Tiko? Is my Minnie Moo? She doesn't give kisses. Not like Tiko. Tiko gives kisses, don't you, Teeks? Do you love your mama? Can mama have a kiss? Yeah, that's you. Oh, good boy. Give mummy kisses. Eh? My little fluffy butt. And my little cheeky one. Cheeky girl.